DJI isn't taking its foot off the gas. Hot on the heels of leaked images of the Osmo 360, we're now seeing the clearest look yet at another big release, the DJI Osmo Action 6. And this isn't rumor mill speculation. These leaks are straight from official FCC and SGS filings, complete with product shots and technical documents. The Osmo Action 6 has been circulating in rumors since late 2024, but now that DJI's confidentiality window has expired, the details are finally spilling out. Between full-resolution images, internal paperwork, and a look at the user manual, there's plenty to unpack. At first glance, the Action 6 closely resembles the Action 5 Pro. We're getting the familiar dual-screen setup with a front-facing display and a larger rear touchscreen, along with the signature rugged camera housing. But one change stands out, a pill-shaped element just below the front display. Its purpose is still unclear. It might be a sensor, microphone, or LED, but the manual doesn't confirm anything. While some sources like Hakasushi suggest this might not be the final design, DJI has a track record of sticking close to its FCC-certified layouts. So odds are, what we're seeing is pretty close to what'll hit store shelves. One major takeaway from the filings is the appearance of two different battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. That could point to two separate versions of the Action 6. DJI pulled a similar move with the Action 5 Pro, which used the higher capacity 1,950 mAh battery. We might see a tiered release again, a standard model for everyday users and a higher-end version for serious creators, potentially without the Pro branding this time. It's a cleaner way to target different audiences without fragmenting the product line. The user manual confirms a few other core specs: Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for seamless wireless syncing and transfers. That's expected at this point, but still essential for creators who want to move files quickly. And yes, it's officially called the Osmo Action 6. The branding is printed right on the device, which means this isn't a placeholder or early prototype. It's the real deal. While the FCC filings stop short of revealing sensor or video specs, the rumor mill has been busy. Several sources suggest the Action 6 could pack a significantly larger sensor, possibly close to 1 inch, and even use stacked CMOS technology. That would be a major step forward, especially considering the Action 5 Pro's underwhelming low-light performance. On the video side, whispers point to major upgrades: 5.3K or 8K recording, 4K at 120 frames per second, and maybe even 240 frames per second at 4K for ultra-smooth slow motion. Improved stabilization, 10-bit color, and more advanced image processing could make the Action 6 a top pick for content creators looking for power and flexibility. DJI hasn't officially said anything yet, but now that the FCC's 180-day confidentiality period has expired, a release is likely close. Most signs point to a summer 2025 launch, possibly around the same time as the Osmo 360. That timing makes sense, giving DJI a dual-camera push to cover both traditional action shooting and immersive 360 degrees content. DJI isn't just chasing GoPro anymore. They're aiming to broaden their reach with what could be two distinct versions of the Osmo Action 6. Whether you're after a dependable, user-friendly camera or a high-performance tool for serious video work, DJI seems ready to deliver. What do you think? Would the Action 6 be enough to tempt you away from GoPro? Let us know in the comments section.